have an older Dodge Ram like a 96, 95, and you have this trim, and you can see that the trim, the chrome part is kind of yellow. There's a reason for that. Actually, there's a protective coating on the chrome plastic part itself. You might be able to see it hanging out right there where there's no protective coating. So if you want to make it look nice without having to spend the money in buying them new, because they cost a lot, I have an idea for you. Razor, and what we're going to do is barely go under the plastic with the razor and go along the cut, and just to show you what it looks like, that chrome. This is the old. This is what it looks like without that plastic coating. It's a little tedious to cut it off, but it shouldn't take you more than a half hour. Sometimes you can catch it in the middle and just run it all the way through. Without putting too much pressure, because you don't want to scratch the plastic chrome. And then all you have left now is the top part and the bottom part. And I come over and I just cut the top part off to show you what it looks like again. And just go along and do the whole thing.